Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we will learn a new topic, how to calculate future value in Excel. There are two ways to calculate future value. One is lengthy calculation, this is, and another is just use future value formula that is available in Excel. Let's see example, the lengthy calculation. The purpose is to know the way available in Excel, the formula available in Excel, the benefit available in Excel to use just this formula. Let's start with lengthy computation. We will deposit initial deposit 1000 and it is decided each year, beginning of the year we do installment 1200 every year. Total deposit is 2200. Bank will give interest at the rate 5%. 2200 into 5% is 110. The future value, your total value is 2310. This is the opening value for next year. Again we paid 1200. Total value is 3510. Interest apply on this value 5%. Then the future value is 3686. After 5 years, the future value is 8239. When we know the future value, we have to use this lengthy calculation. If we use simple Excel formula, this is initial deposit 1000. It is called present value. Yearly installment, each year we have to pay 1200 at the beginning of the year. Deposit number of 5 years, here you see we deposit for 5 years. This is 5 years. Number of periods, nper, number of periods. Rate of interest is 5%, here you see 5%. Type 1, we deposit, we make payment every beginning of the year. Here you see the formula FV. Just use this formula and get result 8239. This is 8239. Here we do complete computation, but here we use just simple formula. Let's start. Equal to FV, bracket open, rate of interest is 5%, comma, NPR, number of periods, deposit number of periods is 5 years, comma, PMT, payment, installment payment of each year is 1200, comma, PV, present value, initial deposit we have made 1000, here see 1000, comma, type is end of the period, payment is timed at the end of the period, no, we have payment is time beginning of the period, therefore we type 1, bracket close, press enter. Here you see the result is 8239. This is our future value. Here we do it in lengthy computation. Here in Excel we just use one simple formula and get the result. The future value is 8239. If we deposit initial deposit 1000 for 5 years, in each years we have to deposit 1200 per month. The interest rate is 5 year 5%. Number of years is 5. We get the result 8239. You see the difference here. Here we use the computation, but here in Excel we just use FV, future value formula. Hopefully you understand this computation. Hopefully you understand this Excel formula. To avoid this kind of lengthy computation, just use FV formula, future value formula in Excel, and to get result of future value. Thank you so much.